natin si Angel. Hi Angel, samahan mo ako dito please. Bago natin kausapin ang coach mong napatayo pa, kay Coach Sharon muna tayo.
Angel, for a 12-year-old, tagos sa puso yung kanta mo. Gusto ko yung mga umpisa mong damang-dama talaga ang kinakanta mo. Tapos yung high notes mo, ang ganda-ganda rin at napakaganda mo pa. So congratulations on your performance. I'm sure Coach Lea is very proud of you.
Maraming salamat, Coach Sharon at Coach Lea.
Your trademark sa buong contest na to, beautiful singing. Pero hindi ka lang beautiful singing. Heartfelt yung singing mo. Talagang tumatagos sa puso yung boses mo. Nagbibigay goosebumps sa mga nakikinig sa'yo. You're just getting better every week that we coach you. You're just amazing. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much, Coach Lea.